Canadian Nightcrawlers, Triplets. This is just excerpts of a really cool video. Please watch the full version. There's a link for you to click on. Here's a little QT1 showing his little head out of the cocoon, going in and out, and you see the blood pulsing in there, the little cocoon. There are 3 in there, triplets, so it's pretty crowded in there. And we see different angles, and you can see tails and heads, the little area which they come out, different lighting. And now QT1 starts to show us, oh wait, hello, here's QT2. QT2 is coming out as well. This is an amazing rare sight to see 2 wisps coming out of the same cocoon at the same time. They are just having fun, although now it's time for QT2 to retreat, and QT1 is not far behind. They're still not quite ready to come out. Oh, see the little mite? Shock the little wisp. We've got the wisp crawling out, coming out, and I am looking at it from all angles, and as per my usual, there will be a whoops here where the material, oh, look, there's QT2. The material will be plopped, whoops, back in the bin, but I will still be holding the cocoon and QT2 and QT3 within. So, yep, there it is. QT2 and 3 are in the cocoon, and you can see them a little bit more clearly now with only 2 in there. It's fun to watch them in there. QT2 ready to emerge. Hi there. Welcome. Coming out. Not quite ready yet. So we still get to see them moving inside, or is that QT3? They're kind of wriggling around. I think that they like being together. Look at them inside the cocoon. The detail is crazy. You have to watch the full version. Very amazing. Very cool. So QT2 is ready to completely come out of the cocoon like I would like. Check out the surroundings, sense all the textures, and leave the cocoon completely. Still long, not as long as QT1. Now completely out, and it's time for QT3 to have a little assist. I was getting worried because it had been over an hour and they weren't in their natural habitat, so I was getting worried and wanted to help them in the birthing process with my Wiffery, midwifery skills that need to be developed. Coming out breech, so I get very worried and make sure that I get them all the way out. Put the 2 together, they immediately start to cuddle, and we have the very first teeniest little worm ball of their lives. They're so cute.